Greetings, everyone. Brother, help me drop my WhatsApp number here. 091 300 651 and 70. I have another number 09064 2357 and 45. So, this video, the video of this young man, so many bloggers, they have posted it. We are busy saying that Matthias has lost one of his members. I'm not there to tell Matthias to recruit any member, and that Matthias, I'm not supporting you in any way. But I want to pick the truth that I saw, what I encountered. That is what I want to touch this morning before I take my leave. Now listen to me. Sometime last year, this same young man from nowhere chatted me, Igbo, that there is a problem he would want me to sort for him. I said, okay, what is the problem? I should have played that video because little did he know that I have those videos he forwarded to me. But it is not in my character to do so. It is only when they doubt me, it is only when doubt comes up that I will start bringing up these things. This guy came to my inbox and said to me that he wants to speak to me, Governor Eziokwu. I accepted. And I gave him audience. This guy told me about one pastor who connected his wife in Benue State. Now Pastor Narawunye, this was what he told me. So I said to him, for the sake of peace, that this thing is not something we should say in the public. Does she have children for you? He said yes. I said, okay, for the sake of these children, there are steps you may take. Tomorrow you will start regretting it. If you want to put her away, please do that silently and verify very, very well. Because your wife came to tell you only when you were suspecting her. Then do you want to go and fight the pastor? Somebody said, I remember it. Yes, sisters, thank you very much for remembering this case. So I tried as much as I can to handle it, so that the matter will not concern the children in future. This guy continued pestering me that I should come to Benue. Kamania boss will storm one church in the pastor. I should come to Benue. He wants me to lead so that we'll storm the church. He will go there and start shouting. I said, he slept with your wife, but there's no receipt. Your wife did not give him a receipt. And after I asked the wife question on the call, I discovered that it was not once, it was not two, it was not three times. This one has been happening. I didn't want to, because the Bible said that whatever God has put together, let no man put asunder. Not even me will come in between their marriage. I said to him, go to your wife's place, go and complain. Complain to your own people, if you wish. This guy reconciled with his wife. He was not trying to use the wife. He used me together to extort money from the pastor, that the pastor should pay him damages for sleeping with his wife. Brothers, thank this God Almighty, I withdraw from that matter. This boy, I have my chat with him, the evidence of cause and all that. All of a sudden, the boy turned. The next thing I saw one morning, he on camera after 4 months. And came online the same way he did to Matthias Eziokwu. Another person said he remember. My brothers, those of you saying that you remember this matter, may God bless you. May God bless you. This is how you know the truth. At the phrase of time, Eziokwu will surface. It doesn't matter how far or how deep you bury it. This guy was trying to use me to extort money from the pastor. That the pastor should pay him damages. Brothers, this was how I withdrew from that matter. All of a sudden, this boy went on camera and was saying that what Governor Eziokwu preaches on the internet, and this is not what Governor Eziokwu does. That Governor Eziokwu has some personal people. He does not even attend to their matter. And he has some grade of people, he attends to their matter. The same language this boy used on Matthias. All sorts of Matthias, they bully this boy, Igbo and a cage. I want you guys to see the level of damages our people are causing. They will frame up something, because When I saw...
So wait, oh, you want Matthias to drill the boy Jibana cage, right? But Akozion will not drilla those who are labeling allegation against him Jibana cage. Ebonilo's son went and edited something. No Akozion many uneburi agagawa. No, you feel that Charam them tomorrow for those rubbish. That one, Ebonison went and edited report and posted it na social media. She know what Akozion Mary. And the majority of you guys, the gullible and useless. Eburi abuariwa cause wa Akozion. False information. And when I correlate now, I could become the problem. Now you are encouraging Matthias to cage this boy. As Matthias, how many times have Matthias damaged people's reputation? How many times? How many times have you come out on social media to destroy people's reputation? You escort. You came out and accused me that my father raped me. You came out and said that from Pambromono. Knowing that all these things are lies. You carried it on. Tomorrow, come on, I get in open of foot trouser. Tomorrow.
The inquisitiveness in him, upon him to extort money from this man, pushing me to come and collect money. After that, he just say, I remember this case. May God bless you guys.
Stop.
These are my old followers. Brothers, this guy on camera unnecessarily and was bullying Governor. I did not respond. The only thing I did was I never responded. I ignored him. I behaved as if nothing happened. I only came. Another person has confirmed it. Jennifer Jennings.
Come on, Mary, didn't make any noise. Thank God, Jesus.
This same boy you see here. This boy went to Berekete. Was trying to deceive Brekete. When I now saw that his video, I put call to ordinary president. I was the one who called and told him my experience with this boy. I said, don't trust this boy. I opened the eyes of ordinary presidents. Another person, blessing Wake, said, I remember. This is how God exposes these people. This is how my people now who felt that they are fighting Matthias now, they are now using it to make caricature on the internet that Matthias has lost member. Which member?
Those that are fighting, they are not your people fighting Matthias. Those are your former people. That is why you're angered. They are not your recent found people. The people that are now fighting Matthias are not your usual, so to say, former people. That is why you came out. What they are fighting for. I trust Eziokwu. I trust him. He wasn't a child yet. He will not even pay you attention because he does not have time to waste. It's not you that rant. That rant change words with women. No, he's not. He knows his boundary. He knows his class. Ya pay like this yet. He belong. I'm not a wiki because Eziokwu are the one. That and you want to come out, and discredit everything that Eziokwu said and what they are doing. Nah, I know the relationship and Eziokwu and that could be Pepe. I know. I understand your predicament. Understand how angry you are. Oh yeah. The person, see, I'm going to get ABCD. Come again.
This boy is an intruder.
What are you?
Go and mark my word today. This same boy will come and betray those people right now who asked him to uncoming against Matthias.
No, betray Obasage. Betray Obasage. King Arafat, I will not warn you again to zoom out from this page. Anyway, wait. There's no need of wasting time. Oh yeah. Otido. Where is Mark James? One more rubbish again from you. I will block you. Oh yeah. Choose one. Otido. Oh yeah. Comment there. Get man here idiot no. Ndala.
Right to this date somewhere, it is more than prophecy. Our words comes and it comes to pass at the frames of the rain.
Come on, shut up. Our word comes. It comes at the great Onyamuma. Prophets. The good guy who shall forget. When you're speaking, you can tell the pain. The good guy who shall forget. The good guy who shall forget Kapepe. I won't forget Kapepe. You don't have peace. You don't have joy. The pain is too much. Now forget. You cry uncontrollable tears every time. Let me tell all these bloggers, now listen to me. I don't have any problem of you carrying my videos. And when bloggers am I like, please do not carry my videos. And when bloggers I don't like, please do not carry. When other bloggers that are carrying my videos, I don't care. After all, everybody needs traffic on their platform. There are some people I don't like. And when they work previously. And I don't like honor. So make una know they carry my video. So make tomorrow, no person no go cry say something happened to your page. I know why I'm saying this. Even my picture main ketapota, I'll go strike. There are some people I do not like. Don't carry my video. And when one idiot make video na see Igbo. I don't save your video for you. From now to 5 years, I will come for you. I don't forget easily. And why I'm not replying some of you, I'll be the one to give you followers. Any day, some of you will do 1 million, I will come for you. Because I don't want to give you. Actually, come on, I get bad. So, we will know. That I'm ignoring you does not mean that I'm him Jabia. And I'm waiting for you to clock 1 million. So that I can game we wait in Facebook. Makachikere monagi. Mapupage. So I show you are a fool, okay? Alright. I don't accommodate fake accounts. Because I like real accounts. You want to go? Until you get to 1 million. I will come for you. So when I get about the war, Mama said, hey, you have suffered to get where you are. I know I'm ignoring you at this point. You're not going again. 2 years will be I got it too brutal. And then I did too bloody when I'm fighting. People, when I put you bigger than my inbox every minute now, boom. Kegi. And I'm a gada. Everything about you. I will not talk to you now. But every single video you made about me, I may say here. For future reference. Before me make maybe replay video game, so people will not forget it easily. Just mark your works. Nature gam get the day you will clock 1 million. Now the fight don't start. Go and write today's date down. You get put on it. For now, they build your page. Ede la mi ade tu ya. Monagi get close this blow up. And I'm a choke. Nchoge ma bury oge biko. Nchoge, I'll come and say please. I didn't mean no harm. Yes. I don't look for people's trouble. Make mistake. Step on your toes. I'm easily to say sorry. That's why my husband don't play with me. I easily say sorry. Very, very. But when I'm on the right track, come on, watch AG. Whenever I discover that I wrong you in any way, I will rush and tell you sorry. Even just to build your page. Some mini bloggers. One idiot on Igbo and I'm digging your real identity. And you look for my trouble. And I'm a play the video the very day. Whenever video you made today, go and stave your strength. Because I'm a doggy. I want to go. It's not only you. And I'm a low go for you, and I'm like you. A drug at the same time. But you have to grow to mentor because anyone will they fight in alone. I told my man I'm fighting day. As soon as you don't clock 1 million, I will come for you. Yes. My MJ do corona, no shiko get no more achorage. Eboga mi wo gechi. Right? I did my day. Give me video. I don't know if you have a problem. I do come across your video because you speak Igbo very well. You start insulting me. You start insulting me. I'm not a choku. But you just where you know biggie that you have a cause to settle with me. Where you know biggie that anyone in Gantroshiguru because I'm not gonna be about future strength again. Story called people are tired of it. But I will come with a brutal stone. By then, you get put on him. I hope you get dealing. I hope you need dealing. I don't have beef with you. But bear in mind that all of you, I will come. I don't forget things easily. When them check out 1 million, that war you've been clamoring for, it don't start. I don't keep quiet for nothing. That war you've been knocking on my door. If any, I'm like a day before me. On them theory under depression today. Now they look for my trouble. I'm not sure get you the far because I should know what I'm on our portion. By him and expect to come home with Nabia. Especially this time, that saga is one of the best things on social media to attract views. So you don't have that 1 million. Because I'm a Nigeria. I'm only a noisemaker. Nothing okay. But there is no need of you listening to a noisemaker. Aya, Otilo. No need of listening to a noisemaker. Can't appreciate it. I don't know when you start addressing me like Igbo Gechi. Name a video, name it. I download the video cheregi. You did not do me anything. All of you. What did them check before you? Before God got on my trap. Oh, go on, I get you in this blue app. Go and write it one place. Okay, they are aware. When I came check, no, I 1 million. My baby, toya, fam, vam. Yes. I told my home dengue, full action in the build the chair on a head patawaya. I want this a peace of mind. A grim geek on peace of mind. This has become my hobby. Saga. You see, I did my work, I just finished my paperwork. My job is done. By what time and I'm not passing, I'm going to travel myself. Or just a few people got Queen Salim. Mezulu won't make it. Okay. Aya, Otila. Okay, so Emana, Facebook followers. Na Neto matter until the game ebido. I know how they praise Udela until the main war will start. Don't worry. I'm not in a haste. I know how to ignore. But when the time gave, I will remind all of you. Don't worry. Will I reply you until you clock 1 minute? Everybody go and save this video minute today. Go and save video minute today for tomorrow's sake. Go and save it. Oh my gosh, go ahead, bidono. Or go ahead, bidono. We shall see. Ajanya. Aya. Alright. Otida. Go and correct your mother. Just correct your niggy. You want a lot of people to correct. You want a lot of things, shortcomings to correct in your life. Not Ogechi. Yes. Aya. Otida. Bah. Po. Nigga chanaro hoje duri megi monge because he won yara too. Your mama don't mad. More mad idiot like you. You what I go? Then quick go on information. Go not too ready because Facebook I got banned in due time. That will be bloody war. And I buy like this. People in China that only something behind it. Actually. I just want you to know that. So, mark that you have a cause to settle with me. Just know that one for sure. Even when you follow us in any game, right? I only get chaggy at their game. It's not how it's gonna happen. But he gave you 1 million. But then I'll go ahead and walk on. By then, I'll go ahead and walk on. What I go? I'll go shade. I told him now. Go no, because go and save my video today. Yes. Go and save it. Yes. And I'm a log without Ngwaga because Ngwaga Nenya Kanasaga. Ngwaga name people about depression. Yes. And what I mean? Jamaica, they listen to this ESCOM.
This boy almost deceived ordinary president in Abuja. While he comes, he lives in Benue. This boy. Another person just confirmed and said that he remembered this boy. Pushing me now, there I had a pastor bill nothing ago. Churches are pastors are putting him behind camera now to come and bully Matthias. This is how this same boy will frame up against you.
Mind your business. You are no longer with those people. Move on. Deal with your pain. Leave them in peace. They are no longer with you. Deal with your pain. Yeah. Whenever the guy return to fire them, they will deal with it. Leave them in peace. Hello, who is this? James. When do you plan on visiting Baltimore City? Okay. Mom, why I cannot block you guys tonight? You can't just say mega man bound. I don't know why I can't. I wanted to block, but the national block is not activated for some reason. I'm on why. They're just banning you. I didn't want you guys to return. I'm on me naming. Actually, I block you. So I create another account. But giving you guys the band and I'm like here. Happen when the guy returned, they deal with the matter. I know why you rush to support Matthias. Still say that you're not supporting Matthias. Because him and the other side. The other side, they don't close for your matter. You want to go?
Another person, Amarachi, God said he remembered this case. May God bless you guys.
Come, Sean. I
have to speak because truth does not have religion. I have to speak at this point. I wait for...
You are not speaking the truth. Keep on sagaring him. Ogosoko comedy. Sorry. You know, they don't understand that Jpac has stepped a lot of toes. They don't understand. But that is not even my problem. People are going to be women. People are going to be women. Why I started firing Jpac. People don't know my anger. Jpac gave us all the information. Basara naturally arrested them. Jpac brought out all the information, sent Ebonilo's son voice note to us. Now, to my greatest surprise, did you tapta? Bawa Daddy war indirectly. The first war over Bukobi. Oh, that video emere na church akuturu. That video emere Mbanwe Bukobi has some part of the Zion has part of the church. Ebrianish. Toto Gana, what is going on? Just because you requested for money. I can say, my brother, if you need money, come straight up. That was the first attempt. He started the war. Mawaya, stay clear. Because he keep indirectly Yaba church. Oh, thank you. Where are you chatting from? In my Okora for. Thank you for joining me. You see how people wear brain is just commenting. You see people bring ideas and podcasts. My brother, my sister, I'm a warlord though. I'm about podcasts. Now why I did? I too like purpose because when one day na plan I lasted for years. You want to go? When millions of work na plan I lasted for years. What to go? Cause one had a baby. Only was all there. Yeah. So my brother, my sister, thank you for the thing. At the same time, I'm on the war zone. What I go? So now people do not understand Iwembo. This guy, you know, more. Yeah, but because he want to switch 360. Because what he was looking for, he did not get it from Ndoka. He switched and Bozianye Bubu, things that never existed. Now I need plan again poison the content creators. How when? No Bozianye na no Bozianye choyi use ya. How? Even people, mama, now you get their picture, now you get who they sleep with them, now you carry and dig. I wasn't even paying attention. How can you now switch 360 overnight? No. This has to stop. Because if you don't put an end to it, that's why you go and accuse Bukobi tomorrow. Because you don't come close to her. So anything when you talk now, some idiot will believe it. Oh, based in Lagos, okay, my sister, you're highly welcome. You understand the thing? Because you know, like in a head, and mega accused. People always seems to, or when you better get close to the People always seems to believe it. Shana, what is idiot on getting now? Why can't I start with the deal, the audio monarchy men? How can somebody be this malicious and dubious in character? While have I ever discussed anything with you? Because I notice who you are. We are recently, before this, this word, he said it on his China bed. Oh, China self. Shagene. Who were before China? He keep repeating these words. No. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, Jpac, this is convict 500,000. I just they laugh.
Then at the last whistle, those of you on the internet, you must be careful. If you are blogging, you must be careful. A lot of things are going on. Right now, they have WhatsApp group.
You see how they manifest lies? You see how WhatsApp group? You see how they manifest lies upon lies upon lies? WhatsApp group. I don't belong nowhere. I belong on my own. Okay, in my people, the way they add me before my husband, they match my husband. Let me say it before you add me on WhatsApp. Ebo will fundraising. Nyego. Because when a group I add them, I gave that person 1 million. People from that group and then use their ham to other people. You may pay my WhatsApp group and you get home. Ah, the fundraising. How come? How come? How come? So much my husband, I'm gonna say it is in here before you add me, you need to notify me. Because I had the same my journey direct. He leave your voice note. And I don't belong anywhere. Because I told him I join the man and me here in group. I belong to myself. That is why everything I say is truth. I plan anytime. When I belong to nowhere. So all these things are all lies to deceive, manipulate people like all of you. And don't him not here to debunk it. I was thinking you and Jpac are working together. What happened now? Okay, all long story.
That WhatsApp group now, where they are using now. I know about actually on internet, they use where you buy.
These people can lie. I don't know why I don't even know what they derive joy in these lies. But when you look at una manifest their lies. Why? When you look at una manifest their lies. Wow, when you should with evidence, are you going to be able to bring it? Why do you guys keep lying? Trying to put people's mind out of set. Why do you guys lie too much? Why do you guys lie too much? When I made you hate Asha. You know, a lot of people have been calling me. Okay, greeting from DC. Return of a brave. How far, my brother John? Can I do? Can they DC? Let them say they greet them. What I go? Every day na to ashi. Na to ashi. Okay, Monday.
Another person just commented and said that I'm saying the truth. This is not a...
He said what? Jeff the king. Who is Jeff? Said you must answer to your action. Did you see it? Who is that? Who is the Jeff? Who is Jeff the king? Who is the person? Check like my WhatsApp number. Forward all I'm the person because I don't know. And I'm like a reply those idiotic men. 912 4384 312 912 43. Okay. Because send the Aramia on WhatsApp. Actually, send the Aramia. Come, who is this? Who is that bastard? Come get go the video because send the Aramia no here. Come on, I get I don't do this. Okay, I love the I need greetings from California. King. Send Aram the video. On which I go bola. On Kana Ariego. On Kago and Ariego. That beggar. Because said they go there in the video. Come go there one tomorrow. Or this idiot that lost his crown na Dubai. Send the go there in the video on WhatsApp. Campaign here my number. Send the Aramia. Come remind the area his failure. All these people that feel like they are this thing. Send Aram the thing. Just link and send it to me. Come go di. Or the idiot that lost his future na Dubai na Chone Genya Tenkobo. Or we idiot that's begging from Oma identity anymore. We prono. Make I even hear the video. Okay, it's me. Come talk. Hey, Chineke. When them she like when they can wage right away. When they made a shield, and when they can wage when they can make a shield, and when they can buy a payakabo yela. Ewala. Guys, because you are updated, I'll be right back. Because I'm Kiwe welu no manam no. No verse. Oh, sent already. Okay, make a check. Can I go to the S corner? Come check you go to your top. Idiots. Okay. Onyo la wochapa, onyo la wochapa oka. Kashpa no onye ke puko la ke. Eh?
I want to talk to Ogechi Njaka with all the supporters in the issue regarding Ogechi Njaka and the late Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Oba, and also the abuse and disrespect that you have sent a message across to the world, coming directly, message pointing, fingers pointing at Zion Ministry, which the spiritual director of Prophet Ebuka Obi is the spiritual director of Zion Ministry. And I want to say this in a quote: the very wide space, the earth. So many birds have a right to fly everywhere that suits you on the earth, because the sky is large enough to contain all. Ogechi Njaka, I had some few words and some few advice to give you because of next time. Because you see, this word you have drawn, it's not an easy word. It's not a word you think you can just go scot-free. Sometimes there is a word of a spirit, and it's a word of those that are still alive. Why do I want to tell you this? Because number one, for people that don't understand English, my name is Royal Majesty Igwe Agubola Oledo. I'm still Igbo, one of you that Arab Emirates, no matter how you twist it. FJ the King is still the music name. Ancient and rugged prophet existing on the earth. My point is this. Ogechi Njaka, why I say you are abuse and insult Zion Ministry is this. Obodo Telaka in Igbo land, when you're in so. I was once a member of FBI, but many of you don't know, before I worked for International Detective. Ogechi Njaka, one thing you don't know is that Obodo Telaka when you're in so. I'm not talking of the issues of you and Jpac, saga, whatever thing. I am not a man of saga. I don't believe in all this saga. I believe that spiritual control the physical. Why I'm upset in this video is that the video has trended so much that so many people have been calling me on phone, calling me some message, even some that is having this biased mind about Zion Ministry. Some that are having a polluted mind about Zion Ministry. Some of them are saying that, oh, this Ogechi Njaka video that trending everywhere, that it's like Zion people have ordered Ogechi Njaka to delete the video, that she have deleted the video from her page, that it's like you people have ordered her to delete the video. I say, order Ogechi Njaka is what I cannot tell you in details. Deleting of the video, I don't know her page, but I will check her page to know if the video is still there or not. And this point is this. Ogechi Njaka, you are posting a lot of Zion videos, sharing Zion videos. Thank you for doing that. God bless you for doing that. You are sharing the good work of Prophet Ebuka Obi, that God is using him to do prophecy with solution. God has brought him to do. But let me remind you something. Late Senator Ifeanyi Oba is a Zion son. Late Senator Ifeanyi Oba is one of the Zion lovers and supporters. Late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah have done some certain thing to show his love to Zion ministry, which Prophet Ebukobi appreciated everything that God have used Senator Ifeanyi Ubah to do in Zion ministry. He appreciated it publicly. He felt so bad when Ifeanyi Ubah died. He made a comment. He see the vision when they want to assassinate Ifeanyi Ubah. He spoke to my senior brother, who happened to be his manager before and also currently was his general manager of Ifeanyi Ubah. He spoke to him about the prophecy because he don't want to announce it publicly. Ogechu Njaka, you are sharing Zion messages. You are supporting Zion ministry. Sharing messages, saga, this one, defensive, and every other thing. And you know that Prophet Ebukobi like Ifeanyi Ubah a lot. Always pray for him for some other things and some other prayer support. So many people now asking question. If Ifeanyi Ubah is a very big gay, like you called him, a dead man that have wife, have children, have daughters that is watching what you posted, when will you grow to be a woman? To begin to have children. Now you start, call you mama, we need this.
Now you start insult.
When will you grow to have,
you go feel them for my hand. You go collect them.
And they watch the video, you're talking, you're trying to mess Jpac up out of jealousy or out of anything, I don't know. Or maybe envy that people come to his wedding, or envy that Jpac got married, or envy that you guys are not close the way you used to be. It's not my business. My business is that name, Zion Ministry, you're sharing the video. And that prophet, that is Prophet Ebukobi, that people know that late Senator Ifeanyi Ubah happened to be the son of Zion, one of the son of Zion. And people have seen Prophet Ebukobi talking about Ifeanyi Ubah. Now the question from so many people, even some native doctors that call and some people that call, is this: Abubola, is Ogechi doing you people a favor because his video is trending everywhere and he's still sharing Zion video? And the same person that Prophet Ebukobi says that always pray for. How come Prophet Ebukobi have not seen that Ifeanyi Ubah is a very big gay, that he's sleeping with Jpac, he's sleeping with other people that you put in quotes? How come Ifeanyi Ubah is a Zion close son, Zion close personnel, and Prophet Ebukobi have not reviewed it? Does it mean that it's only those that he doesn't like, he always want to call out their cases? Or does it mean that it's those that he doesn't prefer them doings, that he always want to call them cases? I say, but I don't understand. Prophet Ebukobi is not afraid of anybody. When God give him a prophecy to say, he will say it, and he will say it the way it is. If you feel that there is something that will bring a scandal to you when he mention your name fully, he will say, take off the camera, let this person come. Please, camera, don't get his face, get his leg. Many people can testify to this. Many people can witness to this. All these native doctors that call me, some of these people that call me, all these haters that call me, that was asking me that question. Does it mean that he does not see about Ifeanyi Ubah knowing that he's gay? Even when Ifeanyi Ubah is close to Jpac, and even when Jpac is talking about Zion ministry, does it mean that Prophet Ebukobi is not seeing that Jpac is a gay? Why can't he say that? And you people are still saying Zion we move. No, we are not Zion we move. We are Zion we fly. We fly to the higher level above the expectations of the enemies. Let me tell you one thing you don't know about prophets. If you're too close to prophets, it's not everything that a prophet will see. Quote me anywhere you want to quote me. If you are too close to a strong man of God, it's not everything he will see. But when something painful, something terrible want to happen to you, he will have the sign.
If I know bank,
either he will start
I can say tomorrow or today.
Or we send you a
because it's not making sense.
Be careful.
On your bow.
Calamity is about to before you.
Your bow.
Okay, Chinjaka. Doing the video that is trending to cause people to start calling me, saying all this kind of thing they are saying. Is it the right thing to do? No. Excuse me.
Okay, on my matter. Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Is it the same one Jpac came into my inbox that you are begging food up and down? Is it the same atom that Jpac came into my inbox? We are telling me that I gonna have gubugi. Is it the same ewu? Hey. Is it the same atom that Jpac said na ga gbage wo na go agubu lage? That's it. You open mouth to talk to me when they go and dig your grave tomorrow, because I will scatter your remaining. To what it don't even make sense. You don't coordinate before you talk. Excuse me. Forgive. First and foremost, this is my picture. It's in this video. I'm warning you for the head of time. Remove it. Don't say I didn't warn you. I'm giving you 24 hours to remove my picture from this your video. No say I not tell you. No say I not tell you. Like I made it clear to everyone. Bloggers that I don't like, they don't carry my video. And when them like, when them hate, and when they are war. But I naturally wait for them in future. So no carry my other bloggers that I have never had anything to do with them. They can carry and make money. Because honey, there is something trending to make money. After all, I know they make shit for blue app. So if my video will give you food, carry them. They can give you. I don't have problem with it. But somehow remove me from your platform. I hate hypocritical people. Remove me. Before. Gauging directly now. Remove me. I don't like you. Remove me for your own sake. You better ask questions. Remove me. Even my picture, show me when. Bianca na bo chukuka di Bianca na bo gegene. Lost identity that I'm a Christian. Remove me. For the last time, remove me. I am only sending this one. And when they like and they don't like me. Other bloggers will be beef. They can carry me. I'm going to hand inside and obey me. Remove me. Remove me. My face is a problem. Or my face is a video is a problem. Remove me. I like it. Okay. Remove me. Well, many bloggers share yes. I will rumple you tomorrow. I'm a rumple you tomorrow. I'm going to when they can 10 years to come. When they can have a year already. Can get just ye. You that don't even know where you're going. We are also getting a wall of church. Give me pronunciation. Excuse me. The mother not contact. Pass you be who? Who are you? Who you man gonna fuck on? Who the fuck are you?
Is it? I know they say that some of them say that it's like Zion have paid you money to bring down the video. Zion do not pay any money to anybody, and Zion will not do that.
All these things you're saying, nobody even told you all this. You are just a confused animal. All this rubbish you're saying, nobody's told you all this rubbish. My videos, I never deleted a video. Are you guys blind? Are you guys? I'm I'm around on live program. I don't post video like Ona. I sit on camera to say everything and I'm known. Because those short video I can butcher him. So if you guys don't have brain, take your time and watch my video. I like to sit down. Come pieces and I'm like all this small video. Edit your post. It's not my thing. My video won't do Gane came boogie and pem. All this on a video post and go. I know they do those ones so on a my name put you on. You feel it? So animal like it can do hours. Kogia ya banging a soul. Jpac be broach again. Because those short videos I give and make with him to people. Oh, no, then I go, a post and I shall not make it go. What I go? So I don't see why you guys keep talking that I deleted a video. I don't understand. Delete it where? Delete it where? It should not want to be in a corner. What the king with dementia? What the king with one of my residents in Dano here? What the king with Alzheimer? You are delusional. You don't apprehend. You don't comprehend some certain things. In a koeri. Because where is this man from? Which part of Igbo is he from? Which part of Igbo is this man from? Do you know where he's from? The state that Amuraton. Ebeka amu miri amua. Ebeka Amuraton. Enugu. Okay.
Zion is too big to pay money to ODH to bring out down a video that is talking about a dead man. The dead man, Senator Ifeanyi has people. He has sons and daughters. He has those that he has empowered that can look for you anywhere in the whole world to bring you to book to come and bring evidence of this biggest allegation. That's why I made a comment. No Bodo, tell her when God is so.
Go and look for your identity that you lost for years. I know what kelleri be what kelleri onwe anya o de ho ka oda men o na-enye nsogbu. Onye gị na ya na-alụ. Ima ashi ebiriki ibe ya aka gwara ya. I know you sit here down like this ile anya. Men gị na hapụrụ bido ọsọ agafeela gị. That is your problem. And I'm reset your brain tomorrow. I will place you on medication so your brain will articulate very well. Kemate bishibia. Na men gonna have so they have left you. Dana kokoziaka begging money, going everywhere looking for who will put food on your table. As you hate me with the passion, stupid girl. What it concern me? You hate me and this you the thing they pen. Do I know you?
It's very, very far.
Do I know you? I don't know you. You are dealing with the pen and you don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. You want to go? I don't know men again happen bido. How could Bachana mansion properties? Men are living fine. You want to go? Men are living okay. But when I saw again, now Oma came now look at that. You could have born on your cap. You are not worshiping up because you have lost your cherry. Tomorrow I will visit. You made a mistake. Fuck was wrong for me. You made the biggest mistake. Look at Rice Christmas like you. Look at Rice Christmas like everybody now born anyhow. Kitchen. Look at jollof rice. Omaka jebu like you. Siri, why are you keep repeating Zion minister? What have this got? Sorry, Siri, I'm not talking to you.
Sorry, I can't do that.
I'm not talking to you, sorry. You want to go? What have Zion Ministry got to do with this? In my millions of people that are members of Zion Ministry. Ona ni fanyoba Gabriel Zion Ministry before. In my thousands of, what have my video got to do with you mentioning daddy? Oimana actually get the car na Zion Ministry. Oimana hamana diti undo unya uli ogologo. Na lepa ni idiot to ejiri azapo. Don't worry, tomorrow you go hear my mouth. Don't worry, make I finish the listen to yourself. Thank God for this follower that even notify because I don't even know you exist. Remove your picture from your video. I know why I'm telling you. Remove it. Picture more. Remove it. For your own good. No say I not tell you. Remove it.
It's very, very far. But when you're ready, I have 2 minutes to away from them ways.
Why don't you
have 30 minutes?
I put one with the FBI. You got your flight ticket. You say you have been a member of FBI before, so that means you have American passports. Because only Lagaro FBI must surely be a citizen. And the FBI or here, or you must have served in the military, your record must be intact. So I wonder how you know. That means you are an American citizen. That means you are born here. That means you are part of military or police. Those are the qualifications. So you will access here because you know immunity is going away. Diplomatic passport. Anyway, you know what I go now. You know, be me. You go use chest that your rubbish, empty brain cloud. I'm a man, but to get one amount we get one to toya. You go feel am. Now the same you, Jpac, can't tell me how hopeless you are. How you are begging. How you are begging. I go again. That's it. Neighbor and I go na gubugi. I see need help. Go and ask. Let him come out and deny it. Ozu. Am I here? I'm supposed to be the last person. He can just this your lost identity. Bear to me. Jerry tomorrow. Can I get charm in many same go wegi? If I get you here for that Christmas, you read him mount every day. Bagam man we beggar the free every day. Tigam mount. Naza ago boa get a keba. You may be there. Ago bola na. Oko can't have with empty pockets. Oh, you can Jpac in 500,000. So, and you can't even saga. You are too weak to face me. I'm a bloody saga person. You dare not. You dare not. Okay, impossible. Let me give you information. No, that's my WhatsApp here. Chat me on my WhatsApp. You find David Amanachi. Chat me on WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. No, you may destroy again. Or somebody show Gechi. The same story you know repeat every day. That is why Sagamja did too bad because they won't be near. But I'm not the lies will not tell me everybody don't know. But your own I go sample. And I'm not told you. I'm not told you when he no be okay chimney. So why would I? So before I come for you, Mama, I hope your extension game won't come. What I go?
Wait, I'm not very far. Issue from Enugu State. Nkano is my village to drive to Australia.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm not very far. I'm not very, very close. You are in America. You are anywhere you are in any part of the world. It's not difficult to bring you to the book. It's not difficult to arrest you. As me being the former member of FBI, which I am not closed chapter. I am still correct that if I have a signal in my phone.
This guy, and this kind of a thing they invest me. You see this kind of nonsense that they face me pass. You see this kind of nonsense we sinner. But the thing they pay me pass. Yeah, he told up condition on. This your statement. At this kind of statement, they face me pass. You don't touch the wrong place. If you know call that FBI, if you know center, hey. Now this thing make Odo Abuja today to be useless than ever. This kind of statements, and I'm like here. And I'm like here. And I'm like here. I don't like it. I do not like it. And I'm like here. And I'm like here. I hate it. I hate it. Igeje biga ege chomu. Igeje achom. Hi. Ejuro isofuma.
With a picture, there is this person that they are looking for. If I got information, I will send the information straight.
It was in English again. Didn't you go primary school? Didn't you attend primary school before Gazawa? Agobo lock or Agobon or Gobo Agon. Agon at Gubu. Ashana one guard at Africa and Kegin at Tachata Magari. Kegin at Tachata Morocco as convicts. Oh God, they no tell you. The good in Noki she don't know law now about man 24/7. Man I know every 24/7 year you man na akuru when you na akuru ye boom man. Just look at yourself. Kigaza ago nata gari. Chineke. Now who send you? So this your useless begging from inbox to outside. This your hungry charge and bell management abagod where you the package for ndala fana gogi. You want to take advantage of them. You you entered Zion for a deal. Stop mentioning these people. They have left you behind. Falapugogi. Agurelish. Agonata aja. They not tell you. You got FBI. You go call your FBI. Indirectly fighting Zion came pro came even there was a video because can somebody look for that video? Oh many nambe ya choro business na henye hunya because can you look for that video? Cause say no do nchoka ke da patana trap man you have entered it. Because chola mother video me indirectly. Go and look for that video for me. Send that me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number no here. Umene na ashe na igara nke ndị church na ha enye hu ya ihe a chọrọ Ghana che chọrọ mu that video. Look at it. Look at a naked person igbo na go on the street che na ya yefi. Imagine you all like ba hu ko gbogi. Don't you know that you are empty? You did not cover yourself. Oyemaro. Man, everybody is looking at your upper. You are naked. Any dream that video. Look at the zoom man. Because that video on WhatsApp. Come remind the she bega about catching also. Even the worst, the useless Jpac that is useless about fake all again. Also, I'm don't worry. You met your match. Agubo eriri njanaka. Agubo eriri okaje.
Because I am still a full member of UN, United Nations. No restricted. I am still not retired detective officer in you.
My WhatsApp come a message. Please, I want it on WhatsApp, please. Actually, I'm on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Are you the person? Are you this person? He reply, I'm not arguing.
I am still not retired detective officer in United Arab Emirates. I am not a retired. But I am under suspension for some certain reasons, which I am not meant to tell you here. But what am I saying here? Sometimes, if you want lighter,
it is very hopeless. So because now one Yoshina one no potahoji a sacrilege. Because I won't work Puria, then you can accommodate it. You know why you are hopeless. So because I won't want you Puria, I'm not worthy enough to say it. That will give you useless Puria. Then because you won't okay. So is that why it's a bad thing? So he'll worry bad because we get you one you Puria. But it's not whether more ways you come wash. Just that one. Right? Just that one. That ways you cook or wash it does not even matter. Ozugigado na kamu. Ozugigado na kamu.
Don't say because you're trying to be jealous or now we're here selling a mother. But no way cool, gonna mother in Eku. He will make a new way equal. Who will personality in Eku or so cause an ass who know. When they will hear 50 an army, they will hear my neighbor see no. If I go bad with his blessed memories, only if I know ban on do. He came up with this kind of comment.
It is useless.
A man kind of prison ain't got in anywhere in the whole world. If you take 30 million,
it is very hopeless. You are a very hopeless man. That is why you speak like a hopeless idiot. Emalife, you talk stupidly. Emalife. Emalife. All the accusations Emegifanyu back in Mesh, where were you? Akwahano Nigeria. The 7 Navy people who are fighting for not to bury Fanyu back. Nala Navy. Even as I'm talking to you, on a log ahead. Have any of you come out to say Fanyu back? You deserve everything. You are hopeless, useless, Enuguma. You are idiot. You are an idiot. Malife. You talk according to the level of your brain. It's a memory brain, but well, I'm not going to brain. When I'm checking the brain, I don't get one mefu. How old are you? Look your age mates. A beginner hand in a kubidocha. How can I say? Mawu bango. The go digine legigane le mawu. Ihona mawu ba ya na kpo mawu akabo no ogologo. Abama kenge okay my were ogologo ke menye ogologo. You look like ogologo ana ha gbali oso. Akabo chuma ya like this ya koda ya. Ogologo ana ha putene ya ga jo mawu oso. You a very hopeless man. every day yiri mmanwụ na akwari ka mugus na elegi na ịba n'uru ịgbaba na nke mbakata ikasi other side ga nara dumoje ga kasi other side ga nara Zion ministry ga kasia ga gbaba na apa you cast ga na nke JCM you cast ga na nke Ezobi go the wise and na eri ihe ne ha you know they eat Ezobi and here ma ụma ya go tomorrow now you go come they enter all these content creators call like an application because you 50,000 you finished, you are finished. Don't worry, tomorrow like I said, I'm not just name me here time on our pass. You got to go I get charge
dollars to bring you to the book, to bring evidence. If I know back, we do it. But even if I know back is late, there is so many sons and daughters that can fight this battle, and you must bring.
Shut up. You are nobody. You are not qualified. You where you go? Where you go? Are you not the sons and daughters of Ifeanyi? Start the journey. No, they look for person who will support you. You no get money. There wasn't you no get money. Or apage binyege go ki ijabia. Onege binyege kubulaka. Onege ga uru ishi fake charge and bell gold in eku. The more you look, the less you see gold down. Onege ga uru yeje wote gi ijabia chumo gechi. Ihube ririe. Ibe ge were. Come on, get the fuck out. Hold on. Come on, so confused English. Come on, sugar first song. Now bogi mo sister, now bogi again. Oh yeah, no. On they use her to escape. On yana ke ego. On yana ex-convict ego. And that I'm ready for them. Call up Patrama Jaya. On yana ego 500,000. On yana Japana support. Oh, should I have a wedding? They go to that because. Exactly how me gana kone me o mere mi ya oge na choro igbo onye awo na mbiko na mbia nyere I know na go me ya no let him swear why hozi oji lelo onye na nke ego ske onye agon is very hungry idiot ewu so all ge wana ka Jpac choro use as because it is useless how hungry dey your body. You are an insult to Enugu people. Good again. I go where your kajaka. Usu. Na omuwanya. Only can watch no. Because no lola wine. This person don't mind. I need to be able to work people in your record. Imam sample oge china record oga bata. Sample ogi tomorrow la record ga you sample ogi tomorrow na record ga mpaka na dorogi ya ta na piagia nibo ana people that I'm coming to ideala get kai uyo into na get like ko record ga ba I trust facts. I got my doggy tomorrow. Then your man record abata. Usu. Come on, doggy. Man, oh hey name. Get down the walls pa. Gabi ako pa. Ma pe share. A pe magia woto. Usu. Ewu agona go. You got a church to Dibia house. That's all for go. Soon. Tell me some other game voice note to Manus. Tell them. Check your WhatsApp. I will.
Book. Mark this word. It's not over yet until it's over. Because even that can go get in Jaka, but and all the holy side in the they must come to.
Shut up. Meshono. Son gay. Okay, na mbrenye gage mmanyi no meshon. Stop. Meshon. Who are you? Okay? Hungry bastard like you. When you're gone. Okay? Who are you? You could so when I want to fight Elia Montuare. Be I go by here. Tell them tomorrow. My program. All of my program I get changed. Gonna escort the tag my own like this. You couldn't do some useless woman. The pan. Ndabang. Do sooner boy. No. Well, I don't make him to be relevant. Ashash. Look, I no go there because Age Palada side. Age Palada. I don't want to make it relevant. Fine. Age Palada side, please. No, I'm not going to get shot there. I'm Jpadon, I pardon. Apena local saga na hapolamia. Come focus this saga is this side. I told distraction. I'm not going to go to the local saga war because they destroy good land in the can. They can't good land. They are trying to breathe. What I go? Come bend down, then I can go back that side. Don't tell me that too. Well, I'm making relevant again. Nah, what do you mean by don't make him relevant?
Let's mark this word. In a no one get defeated. No, you lie. Come on, my little darling, you lie. No, that's where you got it wrong. You turn it on wrong, girl. 100% you got wrong. Thinking, wrong idea, wrong memories, wrong credible forms of thinking. You got it proper wrong, girl. Because come rain, come shine, anywhere you are. Girl, you must come answer for the queries. For the queries you bring on to yourself. No one is there pushing you to ride on. You are there instigating yourself to push on the queries. Because you think you got people. You got strong witnesses, you got evidence, you got courageous. But let me tell you for free. It got the case. Ogechi Njaka. It got the case of taking a video that's trending everywhere, thinking that you want to disgrace Jpac. You're trying to fool Jpac. And you brought the name of Ifanyoba Radical. A senator of Republic of Nigeria. You brought
Emmanuel Hosbun energy do useless. Do you know why a lot of you guys are useless? Do you know why all of you are hopeless? Now let me give you the secret. Maybe you don't know. Since my video, I'm on the final by one enemy. Enemy I'll go bury mad. People who know mad on a nail. I'm surprised. I was thinking they were calling me to crucify me. They were telling me to give me accolade. She know I'm not fighting with Fanny Obao. They said Nia Japomo na any bagaberani that they will crush the person. She know I'm not fighting with Fanny Obao. Just that I said what yes I am man. I only people are not. Now how one day I wish you know. I don't know say if I ever get an enemy. I don't know say when in day Hannah not log ahead. So the reason why I'm telling you guys all these things, you guys are even making people that I never believe in this world to relate to me. Makonye Kremonagi, you're a very big fool. You are a very big fool. From A to Z, don't know. People that I even Najum side bele kamsina navy map or I don't want to be mentioning them because those names are big names. My end jabagi this thing. Uzubunu ni na atom. To tomorrow. Ifeanyiba was not the target, and he will never be. The target and the person, Jpac, potato. So, Yanyana get 1 little 1 naira. You better share now. Now you go collect them. And when they see game, as a loser you are. Galabu. I'm not bagging Makachi. Even in my next entire world, I never knew that such people from Navy would reach out to me. That's okay. You guys are fighting a lost battle. Number one, you go the compound fool. Go and settle people that are dealing with in the Enugubunu. And no Enugubunu nazu umwanyu. Ganoro here ne yirim bongo, ne yirim mount. Upon ne wibono can me per acquisition. Sorry, Enugubunu can me per acquisition. I'm not opotom one, you know, a prostitute. But your own, what are you doing to your Enugu people? What are you doing for your Enugu people? Look at you. What do you? Emma will get war. Mama in a G, Kehana buy. Come and get the fuck out of here. Come on, shake her for. Shake her for it. Soon, shake her for it. Soon, take a shake her for it. E got 1 Monday na bo. It won all this mound na charge and bell catch and fake good in a way. Ye ja walk baha. Get sprayer. Get Janet deceive nde chori nde. No, you allow that you be mugo. Imagine an imbecile in Rigi. Sometimes taking these people who bought this part of Igbo people. Where you go look idiot, yeah, deceive. Let me tell you, I go bog, in Kitaba crayfish nak. In Kitaba your occasion. In Kita, where did your Kajinaka? Usu. Talk about Kibia, in one of my back way, going on Colos. Okay, dear. No, dear. Who is this one? If you click this kind of face again, anyway, let me just have it in mind that media is not a aya otita aya shigafo Suzurugi shigafo. Just have it in mind that you guys are rats. Have it in mind that you guys are rats that are commenting. They will not get on a time. They will be too busy to hear on a cry. They are money making machine. They will people. No, they are no useless men. They are responsible Igbo on how the engineer of Nigeria. So they are busy to be servicing their engines. They don't have time for incompetent men like Ona. Jobless, useless men like you. Him without time. Uzu. Me go di ni hu ahụ nu ga eme ma anu bia want to see am. Come on, go and fucking shiniga pa mmanya je do down sisi zuzumbu onwe gi. Idiot. Etikola dey deal with family problem gi dollar na eri hu be ego rie ga ebe $1 na eme carry down noise. Onya wo onye nnewi ya bia na amanya onu na ihe nnewi. Iwo onye nnewi. Are you an Inewi man or Newi woman? In who brought you into our matter? If when you shoget is not an Inewi, get out when you Newi, I just ready. Okay, we shall see now. We shall see. I am Amazonian Bono or not this Ibuna Pom. Amazonia wonye be. Dala. And Ihe otu onye shi from you green ibe eme. Uzoma Prince, come on, gonna joy. No, they are not looking for the message. They're looking for the messenger, which is me. And I'm Eziokwu. Just that they are useless. Okay, what can we do now? Weakness. Look at K. Don't worry, it's my belly. Come Jono, you appreciate heat in our boogie. I will come out for you tomorrow. It's on a mount. It's on a mount. Ganga is on a mount. Ganga is on a mount. So you follow Mona. Ganga is an amount. Ganga, Arabonago. Gapata by my one. She's fair because you're son Arabonago. Madam Oge, good evening, ma. Please, can you help me promote? Be I know they promote no page, I beg. I know they do them because I know you actually follow you can follow you. I know stop copying and pasting here. Stop copying and stop doing it because because I don't like it. Someone was telling today that Ogechi no the cap at all. Gangalaga is on a mount. Gangalaga don't work up like this. Don't work it. Gapata say you be man. So I don't know get that off Obama. Do I couldn't name I say but my investor. Never post anything. If they motivate me with never post anything. So I go no today. I check on my book. Okay, till channel maybe. I'm a go mama is on a mount. Gangalaga is on a mount. Gapata. Seriously, you come out. Gapata for real. Will you come out for real? Will you come out for real? Make you finish the listen to them because tomorrow, when they cheerful tomorrow, they come
to a book of blackmailing. Because now, police will say, remain there while we are doing investigation. You have brought yourself to book out of jealousy, out of envy. So sorry.
So now, this video now, you accuse me. I can sue you for you to come and prove that I'm jealous of Jpac. So you have a Jpac and you came out with 500,000 when you no, she was an idiot. I can equally accuse you. I can equally accuse you for accusing me that I'm jealous, that I lied. You will prove how I lied. Sorry, I can equally sue you for saying things you don't know. I will not go to jail. I'm going to get someone for civil matter. There is no big deal about it. He's not going to jail. It's a civil case. I'm a new daft. He passed primary school. Can you guys give me a little detail because I'm coming for him tomorrow. Then after tomorrow, maybe those days or my own jaya. Because tomorrow, just to beginning to announce to him that war has arrived. Because any of them share they contact FBI here. I have to provoke you. This common 500,000 other bloggers see when for refuse to collect because of your hungry Get an ex-convict because of una hungry pattern of life. Una collect a very young. You started accusing me that I'm jealous. Excuse you. Don't want him to get Jpac or jealous. Jpac or come ego. Jpac or come motomage. Jpac or come mama. Jpac or kadim. My husband is a double major. My husband is brutally double major. Dim is more than okay. Dim wanna make click and pay. So you are not no. I'm a general. Am I a money qualify under this country even overqualified? Are you okay? Iwonyara. And I mean Jpac jealousy that when we don't make investment in Jpac, I partially naga. Iwonyara. Oh me pon. Some people just did. And I mean many jealousy as in what? Can you prove him getting jealous? All my families from A to Z, my great cousins and nephews, my nieces and nephews, we are all citizens. What am I envying you? What am I envying Jpac for that even looking for that went to China praising God that I went to visit China? Okay, Chiarema. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. Let me block this Arabic person. You are an idiot, Emalife. Emalife. Emanapalife. Makachi.
Those people that are saying that Zion paid the OGT to bring the video down. Zion do not pay anybody. Zion do not pay anybody to bring the video.
Remove Zion from your mouth. You won't sagat them indirectly. Why can't you look for your destiny a bit, Osaraya? Why are you bringing Zion that has nothing to do with this? You are only making up all this rubbish story. Which video did I delete? Because my people, is my video not on my wall? Because maybe these people are blind. Because come to on video on my wall. Because I deleted in my video. You know, they keep saying this. I'm kind of, is my video not on my call? Am I the only one seeing it? Anyway, after a video, come here. Guys, I want to have a video. Maybe I'm going crazy. I can't delete that because Onya is making no. And I contact Badongi as Iwonye. And because what do you have to contribute in Igbo society? Iwonye, who are you? Iwonye. Beriri njanaka Iwonye. Okay, beriri njanaka, who are you?
Down from OGH page. Because only one get up at the Guyanese.
She got before them first.
One get an senior Sokoro. On I can't go the Igbo way.
Come on. Imagine onion sock a bushman and I'm supposed to even talk when I'm talking. Now when it goes, look at one bush and sock and I boy bacon no dust and I could my before get shileba and pota. And come on, shut up. HM when you panu kuka. I'm sure one village at Toron. Another sometimes another no human as Jebe pon na bamuku. Otumumbo one in Newi, she brought from Oweri. Oweri, she said, you won't give me a big one. Okay. Otumu double silencer. Newi stroke Oweri. Mama, come on, enter. Bishop, yeah. Can never be able to be able to you know what about somebody talking. Or the car, you have lost even hija, click really pay and see go. Usu.
Free, you passed the whole job. I'm responsible. Even John put it away.
You look at
okay, we'll do it. You are when you join the pattern away. You see, JJ, or when you put it at once, JJ. That's it, or upon give to the Gavu also until you make it if you die. They will go and have come, not happen. Then John will feel away, be here and punish. They will hear the human being done idea.
oh, they get them. It's Sunday get them. Yaumi Sunday get them. Biag them. I'm okay. Yauma no won't get kegi. Oga, Ngidegana Tomojo. Man Gidegin and do to. I have no plan, I got no plan, honey. I want to see it. Because when you met her, anything, I got my dog November Vamo. Eh, up on my like it, but I like in so. Man, so will be a lamb, which my like here. I too like it's my like so. George John. Oh, no, like my la leap niggy.
I say, okay, not the work on that. That way you are the call because you step into so many tools in this speech.
J Choron. It's not for you. Go look for honor. You need job that will keep you busy. You need a job that will keep you busy. This 500,000 Jpac put no gain on your again. Yeah, there's a room. No. Email. You don't cast. You don't cast. Oh yeah. Otilo. Bye-bye.
You insulted the family of Ifa. You insulted the Nnewi people at large. You insulted the whole Nnewi people.
Come on, shut up. You won't Nnewi. Before you mention that place, you mention permission. You won't Nnewi. Are you from Nnewi? Are you Nnewi people? You won't buy. Me show no chineka bongon. You won't buy. Why is it all these useless people are the one fighting for Nnewi people? You won't buy. Imakwadife. Am I here? Iwu onye banyi kam na ajuge. Ay marife. Nde nugu bunu ni diri help ge gama achoki nde Nnewi. Imakwaye.
You insulted the people of Anambra State. You know how many people that Ifa Yoruba have put food in the table?
Are you among them?
You know how many people that Ifa Yoruba have put smile on their faces?
Go and look for job. An idle man like you is a devil property. And then we are here now, motor parts. They are busy making even businesses anywhere. Onogewo edumbe chonye genye go nde patara men patara go na feed gi go iwe useless hopeless Igbo man je choro emevola nde nugu go and do for job.
Some churches, some seats, some big men today you wake up to start using that name of the hero that just died to ridicule because you feel like everyone you need to go and I don't have much to tell you. But
look at how many places you went and pay. Every church is a woman in Madibia house. That is why I'm Ghana. There's someone in a way, and so fucking what? Without actually, you come a man that I cannot support you, bully up here. Are you not an imbecile? You are an idiot. Now you need to get back one mama. EJ, you need to Jpac without attacking money. Can you to pull on your mammy? I say, a guzarak or no one in me. I swear to God, I'm going to put in eggs on your money. Why can't you bend down on your mammy?
The time come to tell you, we'll tell you that no matter where you are, you must fish out to the book. America has no law to blackmail. There's no law in America saying that you can go ahead and blackmail somebody without evidence and you go scot-free. No, my darling, you gonna know scot-free. No, you gonna do that. You're not gonna do that. Trust me. I grab you 100%. You go nowhere. Sure. I promise you that. I promise you that. Inshallah. You go in. Mashallah. Mashallah. Atahosi. Share my video. I want this video to turn around. Let people know that Zion do not pay anybody to bring a video. And Zion was not...
Leave Zion out of your fucked up life. They don't want you. Stop forcing yourself where you're not wanted. You ain't got time. When I got to go, I'm going to video. She said that. You are laughable. You are very laughable. Very, very laughable.
Part of Ogechi insulting Ifeanyi, like what you were saying. Zion is not part of Ogechi insulting Ifeanyi. No, we are not ungrateful.
Oh, guy, you are not Zion. Leave. Drug. But I'm not surprised.
People like you, people are saying that we are ungrateful people. That yesterday we are praising Ifeanyi, today we are supporting our member to insult Ifeanyi. We are not supporting Ogechi. Zion, we are not doing that. We are not doing that. I can beat my chest anywhere, anytime to tell you we are not in support of Ogechi. God bless you. Share my video and God bless you all for understanding this truth. The truth must set you free. And whoever that truth set free, you are excellently free. Don't forget, I'm still the CEO of Attitude Unit Gold Class. This is our things. We must protect. I love you. I want to talk to...
Come download good.
Ogechi.
Come download good this video. For clarity's sake. I need to download you. Remove my picture from your wall. I've told you. With all due respect, don't say I didn't warn you. Remove my picture from your wall. Don't say I didn't tell you. Go up here. I'm allergic to you. Sorry, area allergic to me. Go up here. A very trash noise maker. Very an idiotic nobody. Well, on social media. honestly making a mess out of himself. He's talking like but tomorrow agama bali mo ma jian n'ime maranya pen totally o deserve ra pen mami here and dem marriage Jesus cop ke apare koroge even in the chat video it don't make sense but they got time na come small what I go come get go here somebody send them because I'm not tomorrow information give jum na aka what I go your fucked up life give jum na aka I'm going to need the fucked up already. Oh God, now only one video I'm watching. This video is hey, everybody should learn from me. Hello everyone. Okay, how can I get ruler? I'm gonna maybe not delete a video. No try. Yeah. That demon is Samba, the only someone. That demon is some. With the paranormal, everybody could bring mouth for me. Child, I don't suffer. I don't suffer. I don't suffer. Oh, you're not chocolate trend. You're not chocolate come trend. Child. You're not chocolate trend.
I went to see him last week. I was not able to do anything for me. I had to come back to Lagos because of my children and school. Please, my children.
Hey, I'm cancer can't fail now. I am fine, no. I am fine. What about you? He is in my inbox now fighting me. Onye? Who is in your inbox fighting you? My investor, do you laugh after watching your saga video? No! Let me tell you one thing. That was a day. She let me rewatch myself. She's told me, hey, Ago David, you're welcome. Who is in boss fighting you? Who is in the boss fighting you? Are you serious? Because send the alarm the chat. Screenshot I send the alarm here. A bit of. He said I was the one who brought it up. Why is he panicking? Why is the bastard panicking? Why is the idiot panicking? Okay, collect water now. Idiot that Egypt shine. Dead. Opupu garden doors on my own kegi. Opupu give one. Opupu garden doors. Buamuma gumumadu. I won't anke you dead spiritual, physical bone. Everything about you now. You want to go? No opupu garden doors or where be you know. You want to go? Yes. Why wouldn't you bring it up? Why wouldn't you? Idiot to bury Jim. I like this set of this house. Hey, Mam our Lagos house. So come on. I see You're moving in. This is exact. This is exactly how I want us to decorate it. Exactly like this. Just like this. He said he's going to Chicago soon. He's on his way to church. They are not the white meal. Malay rich poor. No, they will know the white meal because this is a such a person they like them. Shabi, this is how we're gonna decorate.
Yes, all this. It's a criminal case. It's a fraudster.
No.
Why is he Dubai again? He can't come into Dubai. One video, one day, now come and realize how many million debt you have in Dubai. The case here in Dubai, every case at the he can't come in UAE, cannot allow him to come inside UAE again.
So you were a criminal. Abandoned, you can't even come in. Hey, this saga goes sweet to me. Okay, maybe you don't forget me. Way back before pandemic. Oh, yes. The way you respect your husband. I adore. Oh, thank you. Yes. Oh my God now. I'm a dizzy. Okay. A dizzy. Okay. That we show you the camo. Oh, the camo. Crazy me. He was deported from UAE. He's a well-known fact. Did you today with Tremon? Hey! I go. Cherry. Okay, Bolok. Eri Koko. Naka. Elala. Way back when we started. Yes! Nafa. It's been a while. Let me save your number. Jesus, that's true.
You know, that I go bola again. Oya who a fraudster. Oya na abandoned Dubai. My case in Dubai. Abandoned, totally banned. A criminal case. Abandoned in Dubai. Abandoned.
Hey.
Abandoned totally in Dubai.
Chenechi.
Joy Mokana Dubai. Obi Dubai before. Obi Dubai on a criminal case.
Ebeko business. Because.
On a criminal case. A deport from Dubai. For 5 years now, we are in Dubai. More than 5 years to 6 years now. We are in Dubai. More than not carry we are in Dubai.
Don't worry, tomorrow can fage. O kana o fege yechi. Saga material, we have about no why. Saga material to this sweet. Did you saga material? Apa Jpac adopt he had a Jpac probably maybe before. Jpac even told me all this information before these people. Jpac. You see why a normal law go without saga material? Because saga material is not. A chico katamgano no de man no. You be making math on social media. I get you. I don't buy. Now let see them. Desire become a me ponanya. Maybe desire na maro de deport. Only be in the pot of more na get desire. No the measures of your battle. Nga jog angry gadu tomorrow. E maro nyembo fuma. Each and how many person when you call the rat. No wonder you're begging from the Dibia to the church. No wonder you're going from room to room begging money. If you just let me under a Jpac call about you, or she gara give me contract in the church. I walk up on Allah. Tabagan and Kappa. Now, Allah, be careful, Ebeno. Let me even recall in Jpac what I'm about you. Emma. Now put the bottle get you the gala. I'm put the bottle here. I should get you the door suffer for this guy. Hey, tell him to go and take care of his lost case. Biko, umole coach. Olola one. Yana one yo kabi. Any the name at all these things. Good morning too. Any the name at all these things. Olola one. Umole ko. Hey, chimo. Orola benna. Ayo nwanyị ọma ugo nwanyị ọma ugo kacha ibe ya mma elelebe eje ọnụ asa dịka asasi ade. Not officially married, but he impregnated a lot of girls. Ofogori kini ọmọ kina bi ipa ibiashe ni UFB. Okay, one marama, ije baby, ije le queen, denke mute princess, onyem, ije le osuchi, anyana, no, some Igbo, so anya frugo, okay, ije le isuchi, anya frugo, okay. Okay, you are God, this is your comment. Thank you. Thank you. Eva Oge, thank you. Hey, eat this thing. I love you too, my brother. Pia. Sana. Okay. Jerry, you're welcome. Good morning. Love you guys. I'm a sweet soul. Just that. And I'm like him, buddy. And I'm like him, buddy. I like him, buddy. And I'm a joke. But they charm. You know, go anywhere. You want to go? Tell me a little about Jpac. Mama about him. Exactly, Sister is a lovely soul with a good heart. When you come close. Oh, princess, thank you. Please, Mama, support you. Support you. I don't do personal support anymore. That guy should be arrested for impersonation. How dare he claim to be an Justice for Jaka husband. That lady has gone a lot in the hand of the guy. AB Fago Justice for husband. That lady has gone a lot in the hands of the guy. What the fuck? Who are you referring as a lady and who is going through what? I know you are hopeless. My husband is somewhere saving life in the hospital and you are here commenting. Are you not useless? My husband is somewhere now taking care of patients, saving lives. And you are here commenting as a useless and a jobless man you are. Men get busy with their lives and do important things. My husband want a fingerprint in Oboda. Where do your fingerprint, you know? Oh, when a footprint, when fingerprint, when a name that is Save My America, we're gonna be the first family. Yes, I am the boss. What are you? And what are you? You hold the boss, you hold the beginning, and you hold the end. Onyeke. Yes, I am the boss. And what are you? You're not the boss, you're not the middle, you're not the end. You are just useless. You're hopeless. Men like you are somewhere being reasonable, doing things. Yeah, you are a hopeless man. You are an infidel. When you're not getting me, it won't boss, it won't below, it won't anything. You are just hopeless. I agree. Somebody got to be the boss. Yes, I am the boss. And so fucking what? As far as we are living in peace and we are joyful, go work again with the boss. Are you? Go work again. Each other more with the boss. Are you at peace at home? Are you at peace? I'm not going to the real account. Because I'm like you face it with the real account. Yes. Don't work again that claim to be somewhere in at peace. If me being the boss will make us live long and live peacefully, so shall it be. You that is talking, you couldn't or dig it because of your wayward lifestyle. Or you're not on a wine because of your useless lifestyle. Yes. If me being the boss, as you said, will keep my home intact without useless idiots like you putting mouth in our matrimonial home, so shall it be. You want to go? So shall it be. Than a useless man being a boss like you and family and a people on social media. If that's what we will make, actually find a common ground, what will work for your marriage. An idiot that cannot hold a marriage. An idiot cannot even be under a man or under a woman when a man to talk to me. Are you not a hopeless thing? You want to go? A bastard. If me will be the boss and my marriage is working peacefully, peace and rainy, we play like little children that just met themselves, that will still want to get to know each other. When each other even when you're a friend. You should pray to have this kind of boss in your house. Also, fools. I'm not going to fake real account again. Keep commenting, oh. Top the account to me. Keep commenting, oh. Top the account to me. Ashimeko na free her father used her before the death. She just walking corpse. He will be delivered soon. Okay, I'll fake account. Okay, no need of you staying here because I cannot change words. You say coward, somebody that cannot be proud to show his face. You're a coward. You are too weak to stand challenging me. Now I can understand. Because if you are man enough or woman enough, you can report. You want to go? You want to go? It doesn't matter. I'm using more one name. It doesn't matter. At least when you use the platform, you get when you use the whole world they begin to shake. You should pray to God. Okay, use she use So you know, the only person now but Nigeria everywhere and they shaking. You should think about having somebody can use Zogi like me. That means you're a coward. You can't even be proud to show your face to come. So you are out of here. Go and get your real account and come and challenge me. You don't need all these. You are an idiot. I don't make majority of you guys are in broken marriage and broken home. What do you take on the pack for a D? You make it on the pack for a one. Yes. Let me give you advice. In on a D. Because of peace is reigning in your household and people think you are the boss because everyone they should make their own possible the way your own is working because they need it. And when you have a peaceful marriage, and when you have a peaceful union, that is what everybody is playing for, peace, right? So if it takes me to be the boss, for the peace to reign, for idiot animals, the marriage can come to be marriage, so shall it be. Oga karamema, now boss, family mother at peace. than okay na what let's see idiot aga no pasa na dio na wan apata be na manyere mo na marriage no begara mi pe marriage. Which one do you choose? Which one is do you want? Ebe millions of touts and hooligans, drunkards, and shower prostitutes gonna be a man on your matrimonial home. But you rather choose one. You rather choose one. Make it clear. You rather choose one. You need peace and joy. Then deep knock like this. How are you doing at work? Are you okay? That is what every marriage need. When all these things are working, people begin to wonder. Hey, the man in a mumu. Hey, you where your man will be the boss. Ebeke alakute. You are jumping from one niche hotel to hotel. A shower jump from hole to hole. You are an idiot. You that will use fake account to come and go. You need it. And when you want to get as an Igbo woman, you know how to do here and a Galo alo puta here and a woman a guarantee you could not deliver a chapogi wumbu because of your promiscuous life. Diga chapogi because you can't even conceive. Ala juge lu ajuge. A wooden konko again. Are you worthy to be a human being again? You're not worthy to be created anymore. You want to go? So I can see how frustrated you are. How life would you bend the again one corner. Anama biao, I never dey ready. I dey come. I dey come. Yeah, fake account. So Allen boy. Yeah, fake account. I dey come. Chere no man ama bia. Oh what? Facebook will get no come. I'm coming. I just now gotta go to my info. I can't even tell me as small. Ajibri. Facebook will go jibri. Makachi. Took the bitter for this side. Teach them the way, my dear. Dala. I'm okay. Family and in peace. Apoma the man in mumu unyapa. No working with the boss or the original man. Jokola who have family. How many places can have one because of broken marriage? Come on, Anamabia. I said they come now. Pain. I shall thank you. Thank me. Pressure. Check your. Who is this? I can't understand what you are saying. Am I making sense? Me remiss. Oh yeah. Bye bye. This place is not for Anakoyiri. You want to go? Every marriage need peace. And no graduation in marriage. If you can't handle your own, that makes you a useless human being. Oh yeah. If you want to bring that side, say, I mean they control my husband. Maskatage. Not osage. Imagine. No, I got my matrimonial home. Idiot to my own home who come get always me pay my home. Because I'm because I told him only got boss. Go and marry an educated man. Or what is an education? A man need to be well informed. The man that can accommodate every errors. Marriage comes with a different package. Marriage comes with different package. Marriage na one you uronyo she go na marry am. One you ga uronya ama you go marry am. One you ga uronya ara you go marry am. One you ga uronya so she go marry am. One you ga uronya she go marry am. Because you know why? Oh ngugu. No less one aga para. Onyi waya pa latinka na o. Oganipa jena yonye. Onyi waya pa ala no godu. Oganipa ka lagi yamba. So you all pay lagi. Nurture it and find a way and build good out of it. A man or a woman that cannot handle his or her matrimonial home are just useless. I have to tell you the truth. So you wanna that all more they run the shit in the house. You should be grateful that that thing I'm running is working. That is why you should learn from me. That thing you're lacking that make your own not to be happy. That man go do, what is the secret? Everybody envy my marriage. Even my own siblings. They envy us. They're not envying it in the wrong way. They are envying because of the way we do things. Yes. Yes. You want to go? When my husband arrived here, a lot of people projected 1 year, 2 years. Got you want a citizenship here. Imagine an idiot, a hopeless nobody. That my husband from Pama before my husband Abata here. You want to fake information on social media. Now my father won't go before my husband. Anyway, Bob go starts Nigeria game. I got where Nigeria versus American war. Nigeria versus American war. Hi, to get you. Oh God, they call me booby. Good talk. I love your works. Thank you, Casey. Jojo. Na my chick. Because onye na nyezidi ma akwụkwọ anyị jiri bata ya. Onye na nyezidi my husband akwụkwọ anyị ji o ji ba military. Somebody commented say, okay, you are lying. Your husband, your dad, they are wanna be for the time matter for the child. Okay. Oh God, just the laugh. Have you seen it? Hey, Chineke, Yarema, Ijowa. I am Jpac. Oh, I'll get Bataram barrier. Because nobody knew my father. I know been for social media discuss where before. Gebru propaganda. Nam shupanan namri promo. Nam jipa bomo. Chineke God. Yadeba. Debara chupu. Anyway, we will start, but the war will start, and it will start. God the balachuku. My panic, Chamela will become princess. Security and there. Security and no more. You're going for your former. All security and there. No more. You're about what I see. Jeniego. So our security and they had a main interview. Kawe ko wanilo we mwana nambiaru because ebo wona ihe mere mma like ino ka mo ne so ya we bo no to ya woro me jere ebe a mwana nke weziokwu Anambra ya Bo. I know Bo. Wakadadi bagana hoya. You must be a different person. Zayana lolo baba. So guys, we see. Can get a call for a few more minutes.
For joining.
I'm in insulin nearby.
Yeah, follow me. Before.
Did you hear me read you against the force?
Because it's against the will of God.
Oh, that you know.
Check it again online.
There won't be any sign about marriage. All the one in dinner before. Or your wife is not making the day.
Try my daddy. There is some. That didn't be too clean. That didn't be too clean. That didn't be too clean.
Ahamwe buka anozie obi. Abu no you buri heji ofo. Changing all west local government area.
That didn't know. No come on.
Oye jina da kuta mma se na onwo kedi onwa ebi. O me nde mo de ji ale ji na ba na chama bia. O me mma mpama na atwe mo tani ma because o choro kam na na school mo obana. O choro nju ka bata mana nju kam no hours. O dem no zi 12 years. O be too much. O ga ka father o di kemere nwura awu. Father si anya kezire bi ihe. Na Chineke kpọrọ m nkụ n'afọ nne.
Ka anyị bidogodo wit ndị mmadụ ikwu arịnji. O nwere nke mere ụbọchị a ọ dị ka mmadụ eji mma bịa. Ma nke igbu ọgwụ anyị ka kapesa na nke anyị niile na-ebugasị ndị dibịa gbaa anya ọkụ a n'ihe niile. Ụfọdụ ebe ha sị arịnji. Kedu ihe ị nwere ikwu maka ihe a ndị mmadụ na-ekwu?
Ndị ahụ na-ekwu okwu arịnji ọ ahịa onye na-azụ ka ọ ma anya. Ọ gosi na ha bụ they are not real, they are fake. Because it takes somebody who is fake to be able to identify what is fake. Easily. Amam ya na arrange. I met with them before. Ihe a na-agụta m arrange bụ na enwere ike ije bute onye bịa na-aga ije tee ihe n'ụkwụ bịa si ya onye na-aga ije si ya claim online. Anyị na-eme program morning till evening. The most longest programs I in Nigeria today, I never done close by 8 p.m. And everything I have life. And when anything fake, they have never seen anything like that. They have never seen the unique anointing like that method. The prophecy comes with instant solution. That you see coming from abroad, testify. Magic. And then we are talking the man of God, so because of that, hey, they don't know. Go to our home. Those people fake. How could I testify?
Did you hear me read you against the force?
Because it's against the will of God. And for this reason, a man shall leave his father and mother and unite with a woman, and what God has joined together, let a man put asunder. And today, in the Bible, in legs, Western attack. Annual 6 months back here, annual 1 year back here. Woman has say, I'm a single mother. But a woman like this has to have a single mother. Can we freedom? So it's like it's against the will of God, and it's not the best thing for us.
Can you see check it out?
Hello? Yeah, more.
Okay, I'm your brother from State. From Dallas.
Okay.
I'm from Dallas. Both the England did not show camera view, but I can't be able to get your contact. So I'm hoping online. Now only a message here.
So daddy.
Type. Yes, a type your number. I'm so okay. Can try go do. Let me what it is. So luckily,
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. A little cheating no problem.
And the massa.
Okay. I got my like you with your time, but I'm on my with the right time, or you be busy. Maybe I can call someone.
This is the right time.
The right time.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Only something my spirit so Boramu. That was like 2 years now, Mjina a follow gay. So my spirit have learned that thing that I should call you and talk to you. But as I said, that I've been trying to get hold of you, but I can't. And I like your, most of the things in the on social media, Facebook and stuff, because some a lot of meaningful things in a group, which I love that, So I know one day, my spirit I want something. Simo, that's this one. Manande Mari, I need to that you are total mad.
Na spirit ignition now this will get you which bottom
mad. Yeah. No get you with bottom mad.
Okay.
Because only one thing, God na love the ajo. They are the friends of God. So my spirit has told me that Namwagi. I won't maybe maybe do him or whatever. More the fact that need to water my own perspective. Maybe I worry Jesus Christ because I'm glad that we're Christian. In a church and every other thing. But I want more in the church in that with me go. God will bless you. And my God, and I may know myself associate with those kind of people. So my people I'm saying that we should put ourselves in the same shoe, Jesus Christ. That Jesus na koyono pariaya even oya is calm or you could take but may God forgive them because they don't know what they are doing. Because that about what your and most of your content and a lot of things. So we say everyone named why, everyone my sister, but Agma like it that anyone bula arrege na social media kungiku urolojo neha peace. You don't have to, because believe me, your social media. I'm telling you, in 2 years time, your page got one of the best. Your page got one of the that people will celebrate you. Only blame or whatever. Just continue what you are doing. Make that person ignore. You don't even have to retaliate or because you are like a light that want to shine, and when that light is shining, that light that is you are changing people's lives. You are turning their lives around. You know, Blabasamaka Mbari or whatever, and when you don't, for me, this is what my spirit was telling me 2 years ago. You don't even mean that. Because onye na-echegi, onye gara ya bụ onye na-enye gị ume ị na-eku. As far not the ndụ na-aga idede gị, there is nothing nobody will do you. So if you can channel it, if you can channel those things in not in a, I'm not saying in a godly way, only word yes, always, my sister, the world will celebrate you. The world will celebrate you. I'm hearing them just want to take it today. So, oh my God. Oh, this Paul. So, oh, to God be the glory. The world will celebrate you. So, you just put go ahead the truth. Now, my brother, and I hear I'm out here quickly, how could it? Again tonight, he would fine. But how do you go to talk him more? My sister, don't respond to them. More because I won't go and allow your God. Or you have to go, God. So God is the person fighting your battle. You know, it was very, but it got one of the highest side celebrity. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not sometimes on that day chat easy. On that day chat easy, but if you can maintain peace, maintain that peace, Udo. It's just like when the Chineke like people like Nelson Mandela, and watch out. People like these people, they are the heroes. On the one in Yemen, I got choke, I will do or a tear. And believe me, God lifted them up worldwide. I was shocked that man, American president, they went and honor his burial because of one word, Eziokwu. You know. So we love you so much. We love what you are doing. We love what you are doing. Manachineke gemebere ngwa were peaceful way name you will see what God, you will see where believe her everything my sister you know. So all the message for you.
Okay, my brother, thank you so much. Always good message. But my brother, when the saga hana kupon, agama complete here before my push.
Okay.
Yeah. When them the saga, ndemere mi he gomo ebubo e wala. And imani hu akwụkwọ awo ihe ikpuru ka some people na believe.
Yeah.
So when them nature saga heche, I be quite 10 years to come. I will complete it before I give up.
All right.
So I'm not trying that set of phase of war. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate. May God bless you. Oh,
you too.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
You too. Yeah. My son now gave me 3 years on May. Abia State.
Okay, Chai.
So I'm not by lawyer.
Good. Apa gana ya binudo?
Yeah, I'm buying one. I'm
Okay.
I've been a marriage. I'm not any marriage up like up and I guess not be perfect.
That is why you need to find a common denominator to make it sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, but always being a human being.
Yes.
Exactly. So, and that perfection now, only him mom now, the elewe
agara. Oshilo udenyi nenyi wango chagara.
Because sometimes only one thing people don't know how water. They got wine. One year we were teaching that woman with the devil. Nah, lie. That woman is not a devil.
Yes.
But we better because I don't know that one no one. Even one nigga one nigga moke. I won't know.
Exactly. Onyozo. Love who be
yeah, but all we will give a car with a obi umalas name look in the
exactly
where the man can turn a wicked woman mind ya on all year round. Always movement.
Yes.
That is what I think.
But before God one your wala jedibia. One your wala the spirit of one your la memaka say dibia. Always very big red flag.
The truth is that Emma, directions different in characters, and again, family, mother, Siripota describes
who you are exactly.
So Yahoo that na parents naga dibi.
That is it.
Yes, of course. Oga that kind of mind state of fake dibi. Or time no one now. Dibi more with Jesus Christ.
Exactly.
When the problem, I put down my knees. I don't need pastor anybody. To be honest, I don't my pastor say, pastor pray for me. I used to have issues or problems. But when I Steve Harvey, I'll say I know whom he talks to. Also, when I have a problem, I know. So I put down my
not
knees.
everybody. When you know, like you get discuss your problem with.
Yes, Mbama. The reason why I'm like on the pastor my problem, I just made they were so now without you, I'm going to play the three.
But you need dream with spiritual father now.
Yes, of course I do.
Okay.
I do. I'm spiritual father.
Okay.
But mostly all when I'm America.
Okay.
My father will America.
Okay, that's fine. When you're in your law, when somebody that can talk to you spiritually.
Yeah.
Because all our spiritual life need to be intact.
Yeah. I'm spiritual father. I America. So sometimes my boy is here, lekwe, but whatever I'm going through in life, I don't believe in that.
When you're walla, Ganokato Yashigi Dibia, or ya God find the background, oh, she from near Dibia, Naja Dibia, run for your life. God's only one telling believer is that if Dibia can solve my problem. My brother, what kind of problem do you think Dibia will solve?
Oh, yeah, come now, say that Yahoo Dibia that solve the problem on the Kano. Kanna the kind of papa from prison today. Okay, yes, that's the but if you cannot solve the problem, like my mentor, also did go okay me the village have from poverty. Right? Then I will believe. My brother. But if you cannot do it, then
my brother, even if Hamburg the Kano, but I will not still believe in Libya. And we who no business within the Libya.
I'm saying like before you understand, Nigerian government I command you right now like that. Yeah, the Kano come out. You know what I'm going to do? On the village, on your blood robbery, away go. Okay, fine. No matter yes, name with the power. But if you cannot. From there, you know, so on them not talk to. So I don't talk to a human being.
Yes.
Not many believe.
No problem, no problem, my brother. Thank you for your advice. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate. Thank you.
All right.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
You too, sir. Then remain blessed. Thank you.
Bye
bye, sir. Chai. He came for peace. Oh, his spirit, you guys too like Wahala. Hey, you can apple. What do you get? Which get? Not too like Wahala. Not too like Wahala. Hey, so tomorrow, children, I go back. Nketa bola. Nketa ba eririnja no naka. Ile chanamu. No, some people talk like that. Some people are very, and they do voice like and American I like. And American they like my voice. Actually, that I'm always screaming. This is how I talk. Even at work, when I'm trying to tell my co-worker, actually, OG, can't you talk? Why you always? I am an African woman. This is a voice I just someone. This is a voice I just someone. What I go? Yeah, with voice I just turn them more job. What I go? My husband is a soft-spoken person. Get a deep name sometimes. He hardly, but you're not supposed to be screaming in America. That's the kind of voice they like. Okay, beat if you check him out. No, he's not. No. Some people talk very slow. You cannot tell by people's voice. But he is so soft-spoken. The guy man who go in very soft-spoken. Because we go believe that if you want to talk to someone, you're not supposed to scream, supposed to lower. All this inclusion down, too much school up, and I want to go share cause him from, even he believe that sometimes you're mad. Because everything is science proving that people that scream, people that does this, people that does that, go behind a lemanya somehow. Actually, I'm with them mad to carry money. So science is when you scream, you start having a headache. You develop behind BP. So all those things don't exist where I did. So Emma, when you are highly informed, so sometimes like who is this kind of person? Sometimes who is this kind of person? Okay, I have traveled a lot and I know such. Don't worry. I have to see you to look at you because it's not an like let me tell you, when I'm all your step, your behavior change instantly. I know it's on. And when I'm getting out, she be look at this person. That's how I know this woman. How do I? She be bet me this person now got 2 ways. My first associate in this country with cosmetology, Banka Haju. They like buy me Bujuru on that side away. I tell you, Haju at department. Look, I'm going go to the Hanaga don't dictate already. No need. No need. That wagi Eziokwu. So, hey, thank God. One of my co-workers help my 2 patients in needing ceiling. Well, I should get you one chair. Thank you so much. Let me don't have loud. Yeah, like me don't have loud voice. Yes, it's okay. Once I shout, I will start having a headache. Really? When didn't I ever put them mad they can move? Na kechi are you sure I'm okay? Imagine we try all those BP, HLA BP, all those little first aid. Maybe I should be check your BP. And the BP is one of the best. Like, oh, then they look me say I don't be human being. So I'm a mother, but I said, "Shark one, oh, Ulumo, hey, don't do. I want to honor Ulu." Sometimes Ulu Aberegum. That is the only place. So now them. There's a I say, okay, I swear sometimes I look at myself and say, are you okay? I swear with my life. IMG prefer a live program whenever I'm worried. Because all these short video I post, I don't believe it. Live program, I'm a koga. You all these short video, you know, I know like oh, but slow voice, don't hear the American at all. They don't like our laugh. Oh, you're screaming. You're screaming. Why is she resident? Come and get your medication. You're screaming. Why are you And thank God though, they don't understand the saying. So majority of Africans, they talk. So they don't really use it. He came to Zion to seduce. He came to Zion to seduce Ebukobi, but he was disappointed because Ebukobi is pure man of God. That was why he ran away from Zion and started fighting. Happy on my beach, and I was Zion. They're like, oh, my husband, the people like this, actually a dog. That's why I like you to attend to me. Attend. I got live voice so. Okay, even I walk, everything you gonna they lead that command in me. It's in me. It's not something that I fake. It's in me. My body speak, my mouth to speak, my home speak. You know. So okay, she can no madonna. I got no man. Hey, mama. I can be mama. That is why some people feel so intimidated when I talk. People feel so intimidated when I talk. It's just me. This is me being me. But I'm a very lovable soul when you come close to me. But some people call me. Some people call me, hello. Say hello. I say, am I speaking to? She talk to me now. I know the chop person. I'm a very nice. And she says, don't get big here na kusuna Facebook. Okay, Dalo, I hope your piglets are doing great. Hey, make I show you the man. Hey, you don't say now you call me say look I know the show am for Facebook. Now you call me. Make I show you that my piglets. And the real Dalila now. Real the very expensive. Real Dalila. You're gonna get one email. Imagine. Check pregnant. Yeah, we can get a nation around our hospital very soon. Hey, I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh.
My husband.
Check. I email when you will pass it through pregnancy. Hey, make you pray to God though. A man email 3 days. Email a piachamo. Mom show only she can. Okay, me she mendi she can. But no the worst time for me. Mbahana theater amugum. But you see email me chan make with it. Even anime me chana yosi biko. Any woman whenever carry belly, child, you need to experience it. Forget. Oh, they know my problem. Oh, through the email 3 days. She get more than one. After me, she be go. But I just embrace your picture, please. Kuruni apple. Because by then, nyamu has. Never get through to. $9 stubborn. Email, mom, she yes. I should. I simple him sing and man. Boy, me, I should. Mama, chai, yashim, oh, yeah. Imagine. Oh my God, I am a very stubborn baby there. But I'm not theater, she pushing out. Manual action. I swear to God. If you have not had this experience, tell God to remember you. Labor pain, no be your man. Oh, you mean some women have brought female, give broom kegging. She show something. Who is this one? Whatever. I mean, some women have like makukum na mon, like last born no mama. Imana de men go on no more. Anyway, we in day don't born. Okay, I know we see you. So, uno na acquire this pain. Ona he feel ya. Whatever. Omono 10. I think 8 survived. Soon now. I'm not begging you, Majikapa. Pimp. Jeta female. I feel been in memory. So every woman, please, you need it. Hey, come on. Time, mother, Lana. Thank God tomorrow I'm off. But there will be a lot of things you made tomorrow. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. My hand may home few days, man. My off day can make sure. They may charm all of them. So I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. I will go to this place. I will do this. Many things. My sister, I'm fine. I have a lot to do tomorrow, but I hope I did my off the ability a little bit and I'm like here. But all the me I got one in the morning, yeah, but him. Yeah, Shembe. Because someone I bought him that I can militate everything. Oh, yeah, Jiram, but him. Oh, yeah, Jiram. That's early morning, now doing very good. What I go? That's early morning, now do very good. Yeah, lapum shiggy. The thing ban on my then I me try away doom. Then I can go up. Yes. Whatever. That's early morning now though. Bam wa progo. Yeah, pema. Kana di okay. Nankubula kamla rupa naga manano tuaka. So yeah, very good. Like Mlaruna before my labana no tuaka. When it came middle of night, yearly appear me nalaba. Then it be 5, 6. It be 5, 6. Happiness. At the end, we will all. Sure, at the end, we will all be quiet. My banana, another one hand. Betching a faithful. Ya pachame, I just saw. Wadon. Melia, sa, chile for war. Emma, I'm baga, who got more active. You will not understand. You're very more active. So, that's the best. So, one you even a boyfriend, Diana, you should thank God for the reason. All these things they say they go buy electric. Because electric overdo. They can get a bottle when you romantic stuff, Not walking bajuman now, bagging many love things in your ear. Nara touching some places needing rapture. You are super loved by me. Thank you. Anaya, thank you. Princess, the world destroyer. Is a war bad. Your face look like that woman in the Equatorian video. Now, when a woman is she not a woman? At least Alana. Is that woman not a? At least she knows how to rala. You are right. I look like her. No, don't. She is right. I look like that woman. That I resemble her doesn't mean anything. You are right. I look like her. Apart from Yokuru, look at my face. I look like her. And that woman na large. Oh, yeah, you see some like this. Yeah, no, but and the okachayago on our side and I put in a bathroom. Video, hey, you don't have a bathroom. Did you name by GM? Oh, that woman is too bad. My wife put to bed a beautiful print. Oh, congratulations. Even one of my girlfriends just gave birth. Or should I get? Oh, yeah, on page, wisdom is profitable to direct. Get home, wire. Chai, oh, gagalo, Georgia, a pilot. Ay, asa. I should maybe baby put out there. I should have. Hey, it's a very notion, Nadim. You get. I come on today. Okay, na me chief for channel. Eh? Did you keep at get home? I told me Jigiana until you post to me. I should me be a me writing video and the girl ban I get home. But the girl basically the only son on my Jpac. Unyocha. One day we buy. Aya. I should stand up. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. This place is not for you, eh? Good morning, sister. Hey. 5 stars, sis. How are you? Check your WhatsApp to see. Hey. Oh my God. I love children. I love cakes. Oh God. You don't know your Jesus. Here exactly what that my friend did about. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chidame send that my friend I'm not gonna post you on Facebook. Jesus. But why the picture is no longer opening? Send the Ramana. Okay, 6 months is okay for a pig. Okay, is okay. 6 months is okay for a pig farming business for a start. No, they were too cheap. They were too cheap. Pig in a go before game make away go. Jesus Christ. I may send that my girlfriend later. Can send that? Because I'm not going to post here, but I will send it to you. What I go? Maybe my girl will normally child. Now the girl man John Madame na get home. Wait, make a he got one and when and waggy. Wait, make a concentrate. I want you check it, Lord. How come? The baby is magically beautiful. Okay, lay him go again. Just to lay. Is it no magic? How? Jamie said that one of my friend. She like, hey, this is crazy. Ewe name sendrigi. Come send the malicha. Okay, Loronyocha. No wonder. Oh my goodness. You want again? My brother don't play. You don't want it. You don't want it. It's a lie. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. No wonder. The girl mad with. Hey, no wonder the baby. Chere, on one send the gay Eziokwu. Say the truth. Uma jeme kwa kejimao. Chema be akpo ma le chan. Chere. Chema be akpo. Chema be akpo. How come? When it comes here, no. Jesus. They look identical. We come on the change right tomorrow. When it came on, Tamashi and me call me. Now, okay. Now look at this picture. Now, lady baby msendere. Now, can you get the resemblance? How come? Hey, Jpac send the lie, my friend. Imagine the like why they were here. Chere. Hey, I'm gonna get you the creature. This is crazy. Why? Now be careful. The guy is like my brother. They came up on myself. He said there are no pictures because when you got that lady Loro is man. Send the golden picture and I'll get there. Cause this is crazy. Get one this person. Hey. Na lepa body. Na my brother iriela ihe n'ọnụ. Iriela ihe n'ọnụ. Ke we mother ka ukwa mmadu ke we just ha akpụrụ akpụ. Jesus. My brother, Nigeria, they will spend all their money to collect this baby from you. No. Imagine, no, I don't do that kind of thing, no. One guy said Tigaram. One girl said Tigaram. Come on, everyone. You ready to go? Okay.
They jumping on your Robert Rich just there. He real worked up. Ronald Richardson was kicking him hard as he could hit him. Get the F out of here. Get the F out of here.
They beat the shit out of him.
Ronald Richardson was tearing him up, kicking them all in. I said, come on out of here. He, and all that hollering like he needs something. Now, I go to after this call, and I heard somebody, but I don't know who it was.
Okay.
And 302 and hit that man.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm trying to tell him to come.
My brother Ibala Joma. Jesus. No one na Umuiba man job. Hey! Bia. Sent you my Jesus. Help na bleach who called me Shima Mini. Bleach who called me Makachile called me Bleach Mini. Give this my brother. Makachi bleach who this man ought to be. That's all. Aponani no but okay back na balia. Then my brother, onye ebe ke Igbo. Ewo Igbo. Are you an Igbo man? It's a lie. Why can make sense the reason this that lady a model like because you know go agree anyhow Igbo. Now I understand. Chere nwanne nwoke iwe onye Igbo ko iwe onye South onye ebe are you in Igbo man? Anambra. Which part of Anambra? In a lot of December. Hey. I swear with my life. Which part of Anambra? Beke toro biama marital bad with the dreadlock. Hey! Biama hono nda na chiumu wani odu mmiri. Ndedi ka bleach ahụ gị na ha jawa se were gị pe. No wonder. Ogidi. Hey. So Ogidi man they look like this. Ogidi man they look like this. It's not true now. Brother, you're too fine. You're too fine. Because God didn't do that. You too fine. Why wouldn't that girl if who can why? She follow you. I need not to be told. I need as many explanation I can understand. Nah, Jesus, it is bad. It is bad. Needles. My brother, he got a lot of my brother, you too fine. And I'm mad you are one of them. Che, Himala. And they go not gonna the baby the go everywhere. I don't know why the lady jam garage so no question mark. Baby gi garage yeah. Baby gi chai. Nah, my brother. Chai. You over fine. The good hearing is designer. No. The guy gonna wanna. Oh, the guy gonna get. It go the too sweet. So they go do the motor now. Man, they move road for me there. Go there everywhere with your sexy glass. Oh, Jala. Oh, Jala. Oh, Jala. Again, my brother, again. It was Jago. Hey, it over. You too fine. Chibo. Hey, my brother, you're in Nigeria. You're Nigeria, can you wait? My brother, over my brother, I think I have to watch because I want you know. Jesus. It too clean. It too clean. Please. When are you coming out for Woto? By 2 p.m. 2 p.m. tomorrow. Or today. 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Machune falling. Machune falling. Can you see? Oh, Chineke, feed them. I gotta put my name. Come on, my laptop. Come on, I have my laptop. Hey, my brother, it's too clean. No wonder. Why would they die for you? Look at him. Awesome. My brother, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys.